Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be helping you to understand how vision boards help in your manifestation. Yes, you must have heard all these words, all around internet about vision boards, about manifestation, about how you can get your perfect life and just through vision boards. I will be helping you to understand it in a detailed way. So let's get started. Firstly, what are vision boards, right? Vision boards are nothing but a board which is made up of lot of pictures which you want to manifest in your life, which you want to have in your life, which you want to attract in your life. Now, for example, I'll give you, and why I'm talking about vision board is vision boards always work for me. What are the things which you want to have in your life, right? For example, I'll tell you about my personal story about vision boards. Last year I had made a vision board. As you all must have seen in my YouTube that I started posting a lot of podcast. Podcasting was definitely in my bucket list. Last year, I had created a vision board with podcasting images in my vision board. Okay, and I had literally written podcast, and then two people are talking. How would the setup be? And when two people are talking, I had even imagined my part, that out of the two people, who was like which person is me. So I had literally created that particular thing, and then I wanted to start Zumba dancing, okay, because I really love Zumba dances, and I wanted to get consistent in that. As a fitness tool, right? Like as a fitness some people like to go to the gym, some people just like to jog, some people just like to walk, but for me, Zumba dance classes, like, they work great for me. It's I feel energetic after that. So I wanted to create a consistency in my Zumba classes. So I had mentioned a lot of Zumba photos, and it need not be your particular face, with your particular face you are putting. No, just the vibe of the Zumba classes, right? You have to imagine yourself that you are doing your Zumba class and you are in that outfit. Okay, just take the picture from the internet, put it in your vision board, and add a background that people are also there in the Zumba class. And how you would so for example, when I am creating a vision board, I have not reached that point, right? Or it is there in my bucket list, which it is something which I want to manifest in my life. So you have to imagine, okay, you have to visualize, okay, how would my Zumba classes really look like? Okay, how would I look like in my Zumba outfit? You have to think about that, put it in your vision board. Okay, how exactly you would like yourself to be, put that, collect lot of images, make it colorful, put all your energy into it, I would say. Instead of just buying something from the internet, just a random thing, no, don't do that. I will suggest you that you put your energy into it, your personal focus. You try to create that vision board for yourself. Next is, for example, if you want to buy a home, right? So you actually take a lot of pictures. Okay, if you want to buy an apartment, okay, and it's still not there in your life, but you want to manifest it, take some pictures how your apartment would look like. Okay, how would the greenery be like in your apartment? And if it is a bungalow, what kind of bungalow will be there? What kind of outdoor sitting is there? Imagine all of that, and then create similar kind of pictures. Find it from the internet, put it in your vision board. Okay, so similarly, if you want a life partner, if you want marriage, if you want kids, if you want a different job. Okay, for example, if you want a sales job, okay, I'm giving just a random example. If you want a sales job, right, imagine yourself in that business sale executive outfit. Okay, how are you looking in that? Visualize yourself into that, and then find a similar picture, put it in your vision board, right? So carve out a nice vision board. Okay, and for example, one more thing is places where you want to travel. You want to travel to Paris, you want to travel to Bali, anywhere where a country or any specific thing which you would like to do, just put it in that vision board. And how I created mine is, I'll tell you that also. I will be helping you with some images to help you understand. And the next thing is, obviously, you can make it in a chart paper, how we used to do it in schools. We used to create, cut pictures, put whatever is there, and then write something. And you always have to write it in the present tense, feeling that wow, I am enjoying my Zumba classes. I am enjoying in the present tense. It should always be in the present tense. It should not be that one day I am going to enjoy my Zumba classes. No, it should always be in the present. I am enjoying it. It should be like you have already achieved that goal of yours. Okay, so you have to write it accordingly, that I have already done this, I've already got this, I've already achieved this, I've already got a perfect body, I've already got a perfect Zumba class, I've already manifested a perfect life partner, I've already got married, I've already got kids. So you have to create it in that way. And then how to make it in a nice aesthetic way. If you are someone who likes to keep things aesthetic, you can take help of Canva. Okay, there are options. So in Canva there are options where you can select the things, and it will obviously not look like a, there is no option of a vision board, but if you just select on some poster kind of things. I think you have to go select on posters. Okay, create a nice vision board on that poster, and then whatever size you want, there is an option of printing it also, so you can get that printed. And there is also option of delivery. So you get that poster printed, okay, nicely, get it delivered in your home, and you buy a similar kind, the size which is fitting of that particular poster, buy a frame. Okay, buy some frames, and nicely, you can put your nicely printed colorful posters which you have got. And these posters which we get from Canva, they are of a very good quality. So what you can do is, you can put these vision boards into multiple places of your home. Okay, don't hide it from anyone, I would say. Just put it in your home comfortably. Okay, and always try to have a look on those vision boards. Okay, so one more thing which got manifested for me is, I had written last year itself that my YouTube channel has got monetized, and I have got these many subscribers. And it did monetize last year, and I did cross that particular watch time hours which I had written in my vision board. And so there are many things which got manifested for me, which I had written in my vision board. And you put it in multiple places of your home, where you are able to look into that. Like for example, if I put it in this wall of mine, it's a very common place for me to hang out in my living room. And there will be many times where I will be looking into it, right, consciously or subconsciously or unconsciously. So when we are looking into our vision board, consciously or unconsciously, I will say that you go through the vision board consciously, once or twice a day, actually, like once or twice a day, consciously go through your vision board, because that is what I used to do. I used to consciously go through the pictures which I have put it over there, which I have created so nicely. I used to go through it, and in whichever room my vision board was there, I used to spend some time looking into my vision board, and things got manifested for me, I will say, because subconsciously there are many things which we are wiring into our brain, which so how the vision board works is we are every day feeding some thoughts and some pictures, whatever is there, into our mind, right? That I am already doing this, this is this is something which I really want, and when we are looking into those pictures, we are getting reminded again and again that we have to take action in that. And the best thing is you have to take actions based on your vision board. You just don't put it over there. You always take actions. 101, there's no 101%, but 100% you have to take action based on your vision board. Like for example, taking my YouTube channel example, the monetization example, I was also creating videos, right? I was also creating content regularly. I was also taking all the steps which will lead to getting my channel monetized, right? I was just not looking into it. And for example, taking into the Zumba classes, which I told you that I got really regular in that. So I used to look into it, but I was also taking all the actions needed for that. I used to book my Zumba classes. I used to attend my classes regularly, so this was also, there is a lot of action also which you will have to take based on your vision board. The moment you have created your vision board and you have set it up over there, you have to take action then from that day itself. Whatever points you have kept on that vision board, it should just not stay there. You actually need to take the actions needed for those visions to manifest in your life, right? So vision boards create a lot of positivity, I will say, and it's a great, wonderful tool to manifest things in your life. You just have to follow these steps, and I'm sure that you'll be able to manifest a lot of things. Just try it out. Even if you don't believe in manifestation, even if you don't believe in all these things, try it out, and definitely feel free to put in the comment section if you have any questions. And do like, please engage with my content, like liking this video if you really liked it, sharing it to your friends if you want your friends also to if you want them to be aware of these tools, please share my videos. You can put your questions, feel free to ask anything which you would like me to create content on. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.